Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place a limit order in the Ninjatrader 8. So let's start by knowing what is a limit order. So a limit order lets you set the exact price that you want. So we're going to be starting with the process. So step number 1 is open your chart. So you have to ensure that your Ninjatrader 8 is connected to your data feed. So you can open your chart, then for the instrument you want to trade. Next step is to activate Chart Trader. So in the chart window, you can click on the Chart Trader button on the toolbar or side panel to reveal the price ladder or the control panel. Next is to set order quantity. So locate the quantity box in the control panel and specify the exact number of contracts or shares that you want to trade. Next is to know your target. So a buy limit must be placed below the current market price. So a sell limit must be placed above it. So you have to take note on that. And then the next step is to place buy limit. So left click directly on the price level on the chart or the ladder where you want the order to fill. So below the current price. Next is to place the sell limit. So for a sell limit, you can left click on the price level on the chart or the ladder where you want the order to fill, which is above the current price. Next is to verify your order. So a limit order tag or the LMT will appear on the chart and the order will show in the orders tab below. Next is to adjust the price. So to change the price, you can simply click and drag the order tag up or down on the chart. So it will just update instantly. And there you have it. You're all set. You have successfully placed a custom price limit order. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!